Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Temu app verification error in 2025. So first is the clear cache plus data or the browser cookies. So on the mobile, go to settings, tap on apps, go to Temu, and then tap on the storage, and then just clear cache and clear data. Once you're done with that, just reopen the application. Now, on desktop or mobile browser, you can clear cookies or cache and disable the incognito or the history off. So many users have reported success after clearing cookies and setting browsers to remember history temporarily. Now, for option number 2 is to update the application or the browser. So you just have to ensure that you're using the latest version of Temu from the Google Play or the App Store, because outdated versions may fail security checks. Then also update your web browser if you're using Temu in a browser. For option number 3 is to use a stable network, so no VPN and proxy. So avoid VPNs or the TOR or the corporate networks since these can trigger extra verification. So to fix this error, switch to a trusted Wi-Fi or mobile network and then retry again. Now for option number 4 is to complete the puzzle or the challenge correctly. So if Temu shows a puzzle or CAPTCHA, you just have to refresh it if glitches. Then click on the refresh icon. So if it's unresponsive, you can retry after restarting or clearing the cache. And lastly is to contact the Temu support. So if none of the above works, then you can try contacting the Temu support. So just open your Temu, tap on help, go to support, and then tap on contact us. So explain which step is failing. You can also capture error message, then put it in there or attach the screenshot. Then they can verify your account status, reset checks, or send codes manually. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!